Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to make thumbnails on YouTube. So first you want to have Fonto. Once you go on Fonto, you press on the picture, the camera I have on, and I'm just going on plain images, but you can do any image from your camera roll. I'm just going to pick the image down here, which is the blue one, yes, and then you hit the box with the line on it and you hit use. Then you can tap anywhere on the image you want and add text of any kind that you want. You can press font if you want to change the fonts, but I'll show how to use that in a minute. Then once you're done with your text, you press done, just like so. And then you can position it with your hand, like your finger, just like that. There's also size. Then there is like the text, which is just the same thing as how to use the text. There's also font, which is what I talked about before. There's all kinds of different font. There's also tilt, where you can tilt the image. There's style, which is you can just change the color and the background color and stuff like that, which is very useful. And then there is move, which is just moving it around with your finger, but not moving it around with your finger. So next you want to go on the the box with the lines. You want to hit save image, like so. So it goes to your camera roll. Then you want to leave the app, and then you want to go on YouTube Studio. You press on YouTube Studio, like so. It takes a second to load, as you can see. Then you want to hit videos, right so, videos right there. Then you want to select the video you want to have the thumbnail for. Then you want to hit the pencil icon. And you want the pencil icon again over the screen there, and then you can hit change, and you can add any image from your camera roll, like so, like that, and you can position it with your finger, and then hit select, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to change the image. But thanks for watching. See you next time. Please like and subscribe.